the money that's in it.
Yeah.
It's a fucking bag and they don't understand.
I ain't gonna lie, the money that's in it. It's people making $100 million, getting $100 million contracts off that shit. Don't none of them look like us.
And all they do is sit there
People
and play.
making millions a month. All they do is sit there and play the game.
And where do you make the money? How do you monetize the gaming?
So with me, I'm gonna tell you how I personally monetized it, because a lot of people monetize it different ways. So what I did was I created a server, a Grand Theft Auto server called Grizzly World, right? So it's like Grand Theft Auto, but everything in there is super customizable. You could do whatever you want. I could put that hat in there. I could put that whole outfit in there, this watch, whatever I want to put in there, right? Cars, whatever. So, and it's like, it represents the trenches. So you can really be in the streets without having to really be in the streets. So I got a lot that's really from the trenches that got a PC, now they ain't in the streets no more, that ain't making 20, 25,000 a month playing this shit. You feel me? The way that I monetized it, I get paid from the server, because you got to pay to get in, right? We got like 90,000 members.
You fucking killing them.
90,000 members. You feel me? They all got to pay to get in, because it's an opportunity. It's going to create an opportunity for you.
How much did it cost to develop the server?
My people did it for me for free.
Oh my fucking
My
God.
man's in Canada. His name North.
Shout
my
out
boy
to
in
North.
Canada.
Shout out to North.
Yeah, my boy in Canada. His
Well,
name
we
North.
gonna get your number. They gonna be on your line.
Yeah,
North.
hey, North, like, let me create you a server, bro. I'm telling you, gonna fuck with this shit. I can make you extra like 5,000 a month.
And it
feel
turned
me?
into way more than that.
Shit turned into down there 50 a week.
That shit crazy.
You feel me? So I put my shit, I stream it on Twitch, right? I get paid from Twitch. I take the Twitch videos that I already streamed, put it on YouTube, get paid from YouTube, and I get paid from the server. Then you got sponsorships, you got ads, you got all this shit that you get, that I get paid from too. And most importantly though, when these people do pay the $100 up to $400 a month, you know what I'm saying, to come in there, they turn around and start making 20 a month. Now they, you know what I'm saying, ain't got to be in the streets no more. Because this is who was playing this shit. They ended up dying because they was like still in the streets and on the game. You know what I'm saying? So that made a lot of people like, I ain't fuck with that shit no more. I'm about to just do this shit. This is my full-time job now.
And you got motherfuckers in there running the bag up.
Running the bag up. Running the bag up.
You got
You
leagues
about to
and
have
all
me
that type of
playing
shit.
Madden all
Promise you.
fucking day.
Yeah.
Call my man,
You
give
need
me a
it.
server.
I ain't gonna lie. If y'all get on this GTA shit,
I can't play that shit, man.
promise you.
I can't play Grand Theft Auto, and it's the
Why you can't play it?
The Call of Duty joint.
Why you can't play
I played
Grand Theft
my
Auto?
nephew. I never seen it. I just was running around with a motherfucking
You ain't
gun,
got no,
and it,
look.
Then I fall. Then he laughing and shit. Then I never even seen it.
In my city, you ain't gotta be no shooter though. You can work at Chick-fil-A.
Man, you gonna give me a fucking Chick-fil-A job on?
But to get shot, yo,
On the
So you
game?
work at Flitch for you were going there.
Wait,
with-
how you gonna give me a Chick-fil-A
Listen,
job
Pete-
on the
Pete got some
game,
new shit.
though?
Listen, go ahead.
No, listen, I don't work at Chick-fil-A. I own a Dunkin' Donuts and the KFC on that motherfucker.
Oh, but I'm working for Chick-fil-A. This nigga rotting this shit. I own the whole city, but you can work at one of my Chick-fil-A's. On
You
the
can own the Chick-fil-A. You can do what you want to do.
I gotta come on in and check it out.
Come check it out.
How much I need going on?
If you
So
want to
if
just,
I'm
if
Johnny.
you wanna,
I'm Johnny Nobody from Jersey. I'm Delaware Donnie from Delaware. I'm trying to just come on in and see what this shit is like. How much I need to get on to actually see what's going on.
$100.
$100.
Yeah, but if you reach out to me, I might not even make you pay that. If you tell me, listen, I'm from such and such, I'm serious about doing this shit, bro. I want to do it full time. I ain't even gonna make you pay. I'm gonna just let you come in. And then when you start making some money, then that's when I'm gonna tell you, all right, bet, just pay the $100 application fee. That's it.
Oh, okay.
That ain't bad. He got
And what's the website? What's the like? How do you get on there?
Shit, GrizzlyWorldRP.com.
GrizzlyWorldRP.com.
Yeah.
put that on the screen. That's gonna
Right
be right
there.
here. You see that?
GrizzlyWorldRP.com.
Check that out right there.
Have 290,000 fucking people.
Okay.
Jump right up on that shit. Now with that, how do you got that and you running it up from that? How you feel about music?
Now that I can sit home and play the game and make the same amount, how I feel about it?
Damn, the same amount. Phew. Yeah, how you
Look
feel
how
about
he never looked up when he said that. He don't want to disappoint. He don't want to disappoint none of the music people. Now I can sit home and do whatever the fuck I want. Man.
I ain't gonna lie though. I got people who really like support me. You know what I'm saying? And I got people who my music really do something for
Right.
and really just fuck with my shit. So just off the strength of them, I never stop doing it.
Right.